This is a rt25 from Home Depot rental. There is no YouTube video, so I'm gonna show you right quick how to operate it. Let me see the camera. So when you first get in, you're gonna put your seatbelt on. Then you're gonna put this bar down. Boom, like that. Now, here's your key. Turn it on to the on position. Let it sit for a second because it is a diesel. Cranks it right up. There's your fuel gauge, your other gauges, your mirrors. All right, so you're right. Well, first off, this is your throttle. You push it forward. That gives you your gas, data, and stuff. So anyways, this right joystick, if you pull back, it raises the bucket. You push down, it puts the bucket down. Then you go to the left, it goes up. Then you go to the right, it goes down. And up. Your left joystick,